Septic systems in tiny houses require careful selection of cleaning products to protect the bacterial processes that treat wastewater. Tiny house residents should prioritize phosphate-free, low-scent, biodegradable cleaners because they minimize nutrient overload and toxic residues that harm septic bacteria. Use concentrated cleaners sparingly by diluting them to the lowest effective strength and apply with a cloth or mop rather than pouring directly down drains. Avoid routine use of bleach and antibacterial hand soaps, especially in large volumes, because they kill the beneficial microbes that break down solids. Reserve bleach for occasional disinfection and use short contact times with thorough rinsing. Limit disposal of solvents, paints, gasoline, and strong acids or bases into the plumbing by collecting them and taking them to a hazardous waste drop-off. Even small amounts can disrupt treatment units. If considering enzymatic or bacterial additives, follow the manufacturer instructions exactly and consult the system installer or a septic professional first, since unnecessary products rarely improve performance and can mask underlying problems. Install a simple solids trap at laundry and kitchen drains and use low-flow fixtures to reduce hydraulic shock to the system so bacteria can maintain steady treatment. Common mistakes include assuming all green labeled or natural products are septic-safe, which often overlooks surfactant types and fragrance carriers, so read ingredient lists and choose products listing biodegradable surfactants and no phosphates. Another frequent issue is regular disposal of solvents or concentrated cleaners down the drain, which you should avoid by storing and taking them to community hazardous waste events. People also rely on additives as a cure-all, and the correct approach is to maintain proper pumping intervals and avoid overloading the system, using additives only when a qualified professional recommends them. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like tiny house septic compatibility and product choices. We help homeowners find local contractors and let contractors find work, and our site includes an active discussion community where users share experiences and practical tips.